your head. Well, we have to ask
Jeff, look at this. Look what you did to me last night in your fit of.
I didn't touch you.
Jerkiness.
I didn't touch you.
You don't care? That's why we got in an argument?
No, we got an argument because I made a couple of suggestions and you said no.
I'm just tired.
In the end, I said I don't really care.
No.
I'll eat anything except for I prefer not to have pizza because I ate pizza yesterday. Although
My pizza was bad.
technically, if I had pizza tonight again, I'd probably would. So.
Yeah, but if we even went to the same restaurant, you wouldn't have to order pizza again.
We're not. The same thing at the same time.
Mine's horrible. But that's more the
My calzone was good.
style. You like it?
Yeah.
I see that's right up Jeff's alley. I was surprised you